Hey, it's Geoff here again. This video is going to show you how you can make a ton of money with LeadSkimmer.com. Okay, we did show you in the above video, a previous video, how the lead generation system works and how, as a qualified member, you can explode your list. Now, the same process is used in LeadSkimmer to make you money. And the same exponential growth that you saw is also applied to your LeadSkimmer income. Okay, which is really exciting, and I will explain how that works here in this video. First of all, I explained before in the previous video again that in order to start your own lead lines, you need to be a qualified member, right? Having 3 unique leads generated by you through our system. Now, there is a way to fast track that process and get you qualified immediately. Okay, so that none of your leads are passed up and that you can start building your own lead lines, right? Remember, right away. You can start building them without having to pass any leads up. And that way is to become a LeadSkimmer premium. My rating's bad here. A LeadSkimmer premium member. Now, as a premium member, you're instantly qualified to start your lead lines right away. Now, and on top of that, as a premium member, you're also qualified right away to start earning commissions from anyone in your lead lines that become premium members as well. Okay, now really quickly, let me explain how this in itself can lead to some serious income for you. In the previous video, right, we saw how your list size can grow really quickly with how our software works, right? You've got your one lead line, they need to get 3 to qualify themselves, and those 3 again, go to you on your list, right? And then they need to get 3 more circles. Those leads, sorry, all go up to you as well, right? Because they are all qualifier leads for these people to get qualified themselves. So every one of those first 3 leads that we're talking about that go, you know, infinite levels deep, right? Every one of those first 3 leads that gets added to your list, they also become your personal referrals in LeadSkimmer. Okay, they become your referrals in LeadSkimmer. Okay, now what does that mean? Now that means all of these leads generated through your lead lines are thinking seriously about becoming premium members as well, and they're also watching these videos, right? And since these qualifier leads that are passed up to you are now your personal referrals in LeadSkimmer, guess who gets paid when they become premium members? Guess who gets paid? Yes, you do. Okay, so that money, when they upgrade, goes to you from all these people that are in your lead lines. So it's very important to understand that. Okay, if you are not a premium member, when one of them upgrades to premium as well, guess what? The commissions bypass you and get passed above you. Okay, you don't get paid for them. And you do not want to miss that. You do not want to miss that, considering all of these people being added to your list are also your referrals in LeadSkimmer, potential upgrades, all of them right here, infinite levels deep. Okay, and you can make a lot of money selling to your list, okay, that can build for you through LeadSkimmer for free without upgrading, and a lot of people do, but you don't want to miss the income opportunity within this whole marketing funnel itself, right? And with the way that LeadSkimmer builds deep like this, by the power of 3 all being passed up to you, it's like a funded proposal that just keeps on selling itself over and over again, right? And you need to be making those commissions. You need to be making them, not your uplines. I mean, agreed? You need to be making that money. Okay, now, the premium membership does not just qualify you quicker, and it doesn't just enable you to earn commissions on your referrals. Okay, there's a lot more value to the premium membership than that. Okay, and the extra features included in the premium membership are going to allow you to promote, and they're going to allow you to make even more money for yourself as a premium member. It's not just about the upgrades. Okay, now looking at how the system builds and how your income, okay, can build exactly the same way, you know, I hope you can see that premium is the way to go. Okay, so that explains how you can make money, a lot of money, with the premium membership at LeadSkimmer.com. Okay, it's very cool, it's very quick, it's very lucrative, and you should really seriously check it out right away before you start promoting, because once you start promoting and you're not a premium membership, remember, these people, their money gets passed up above you, and you don't want that to happen. You want it to go to you. You want this money to go to you. So I hope you can see that premium is the way to go. You can check out the links on this page, probably below this video. And thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to be doing business with you as a premium member. Have a great day.